Morning, class. So I am your teacher. Our subject for this topic that we have to discuss is identify the equivalent of Tagalog words. So you are expected to identify English words spoken at home and in compare English and Tagalog words. Use the identified words in sentence. Okay, our learning test number 1. Read aloud, then repeat reading the words in the box. English is different from Tagalog in terms of how they are spoken at home and in so read the following words written in English and Tagalog. Tagalog, mga aklat. English, books. Masaya, happy. Mga kaibigan, friends. Mga kwento, stories. Mga awitin, songs. Okay. So, learning test number 2, read the following sentences twice. Ang mga aklat ay nasa istante. The books are in the shelves. Again, ang mga aklat ay nasa istante. The books are in the shelves. Si Gab ay masaya nagpapalipad ng saranggola. Gab is happily flying his kite. Again, si Gab ay masaya nagpapalipad ng saranggola. Gab is happily flying his kite. Number 3. Sila ang aking mga kaibigan. They are my friends. Again, sila ang aking mga kaibigan. They are my friends. 4. Ang mga bata ay nakikinig sa mga kwento na may gintong aral. The children are listening to stories with lesson. Again, ang mga bata ay nakikinig sa mga kwento na may gintong aral. The children are listening to stories with lesson. Last number 5. Ang mga bata ay kumakanta ng mga awiting pambata. The pupils are singing children's songs. Again, ang mga bata ay kumakanta ng mga awiting pambata. The pupils are singing children's songs. Okay. So after you read these sentences twice, so our next task is learning test number 3. For each item, choose the letter of the correct answer. Write your answers in your notebook or answer sheet. Number 1. What is in the picture? So what can you see in the picture? A. Glass. B. Vase. C. Jar. D. Pan. Number 2. The blank is on the table. What is the appropriate word to complete the sentence? A. Chair. B. Pig. C. Igloo. And D. Book. Number 3. Which of the following things cannot be found in school? So look at the picture, letter A, picture B, picture C, and picture D. So which of that things cannot be found in school? Number 4. The girl is beautiful in her yellow dress. What is the synonym of the underlined word? So meaning, what is the synonym of beautiful? When we say synonym, it is this words with the same meaning. So which of these words are the same meaning with beautiful? A. Angry. B. Pretty. C. Sad. D. ugly. Next, number 5. What is the Tagalog word for this object? So the object is blackboard. So what is the Tagalog word of blackboard? A. Pisara. B. Mesa. C. Pinto. D. Bubong. Okay, are you done? So check your answer if it is correct. So number 1, what is in the picture? So letter B. Base. Number 2. So the blank is on the table. So what is the appropriate word? The letter D. The book is on the table. Number 3. Which of the following things cannot be found in the school? The letter kettle. Number 4. What is the synonym of word of beautiful? Letter B. Pretty. So beautiful and pretty has the same meaning. So what is the Tagalog word for this object? So the object is blackboard. The Tagalog word for the word blackboard is Isara. Okay. Learning task number 4. Read the story and answer the questions below. Write your answer in your answer sheet. So listen to the story. Title is Books. Books are our good friends. They make us happy. Some tell nice stories and poems. Others teach beautiful songs. So beautiful is maganda, happy is masaya. Still others teach us many things about the world, mundo. So world means mundo. Our Tagalog word for world is mundo. Books live long if we take good care of them. We should not tear. So tear is punitin or write on their pages. So number 1, which are considered as good friends? A. Books. B. Stories. C. Poems or poems. Number 2, what do books do for us? A. Make us cry. B. Make us sick. C. Make us happy. Number 3, what are found in books? A. Stories. B. Cars. C. Airplanes. Number 4, what should we do to make books live long? A. Good care. B. Decorating them. C. Coloring them. Number 5, which is not good for books? A. Covering. B. Tearing. C. Reading. Okay, let us see. Which considered as good friends? So letter A. Book. What do books do for us? The letter C. Make us happy. What are found in books? Letter A. Stories. What should we do to make books live long? Letter A. Taking good care of them or take good care of them. Which is not good for books? Letter B. Tearing. Here are some examples of English and Tagalog words that are spoken at home and in school. So, bata, child, bansa, country, araw, day, mata, eye, pamilya, family, kamay, hand, tahanan, home, pera, money, ina, mother, gabi, night. Okay. In learning test number 5, make a list of 10 Tagalog and English, 5 each words spoken at home and in school. Write your answers in your answer sheet. So you're going to write 5 Tagalog words here and 5 the equivalent English word of that Tagalog. Okay? For task number 6. Match the Tagalog words in column A with the correct English words in column B. Write the letters of your answers in your answer sheet. Okay. So choose a letter. Pasyente. What is the English equivalent of pasyente? A. Doctor. B. Police. C. Patient. D. Soldier. E. Driver. Number 2, sundalo. Number 3, driver. Number 4, police. And number 5, doctor. Then, let us check. Number 1, pasyente. So, the English equivalent is patient. C. Sundalo. Third, D. Soldier. Driver. Same, same word, words where you pronounce it, but different spell. Driver. Number 4, same with police. Police and number 5, doctor. Doctor. Learning task number 7. Identify the objects in each picture. Write their equivalent in Tagalog words. Write your answers in your answer sheet. What is the equivalent Tagalog words for eyes? Number 2, money. Number 3, water. Number 4, hand. Number 5, school. Are you done? So, eyes is mata. Money, pera o salapi. Water, stick. And kamay, paaralan. Okay. Learning task number 8. Supply the missing word. Complete each sentence. So choose your answer from the box. Write your answers in our answer sheet. My nanay. So what is the English nanay? Choose your answer inside the box. My nanay blank wakes up early to cook my breakfast. Number 2. There are many stars in the sky every gabi. What is gabi in English? Or the equivalent English word for gabi. Number 3. We need to eat our meals on blank to become healthy. So what is the equivalent word for oras? Number 4. Philippines is the name of our blank bansa. So what is the equivalent English equivalent word? Tagaytay City is a lugar. Lugar is equivalent English word for lugar. Okay, let us answer. Okay, nanay means, nanay, the equivalent word for nanay in English word is mother. Gabi, night. Oras, time. Bansa, country. And lugar, get the right answer. Tagalog is the mother tongue for most children in Calabar. This serves as our first language. The English language serves as our second language. Okay. For learning test number 9, choose the letter of the correct answer. Write your answers in your answer sheet. Okay. Number 1, the pencil case is in my bag. Which is the correct picture for the underlined word bag? So what is the correct picture for the bag? A, B, C, or D? Number 2, my blank teaches me how to read, count, and write. What is the missing? What is the Tagalog word, English word for guro? A, doctor. B, nurse. C, police. D, teacher. Number 3, my teacher said that I am a good child. It's because my parent taught me good blank at home. What is the best word to complete the sentence? So what is the English equivalent word for pag-uugali? A, values. B, dance steps. C, poems. D, songs. Number 4, differentiate the two words doctor, doctor. What letters are different? A, D and T. Letter B, C and K. Letter D, R and R. Letter D, O and O. Number 5. If halaman is plant, what is the English word for prutas? Again, if halaman is plant, what is the English word for prutas? A. Tree. B. Vegetables. C. Seed. D. Fruit. Okay, let us see the correct answer. Number 1, so picture letter B. Number 2. Number 2, guro. Guro is letter D, teacher. Number 3, pag-uugali, letter A, values. Different letters from the word doctor is letter B, T, and K. And the English word for putas is letter. Okay, that is our lesson for today. Goodbye and